All right, we're making some potatoes. Are they ready yet? Let's take a look at one.
Tried to make them so that at the same time, but that's not.
Look at that potato.
Because the smaller ones are really soft and the hard ones are harder.
So we've got to let them boil longer.
Well, now I have to take some of the hard ones out. I'm calling them smashed potatoes.
Smashed potatoes, and this is your own creation, right?
I don't know. Somebody does this somewhere.
No, I think you do.
No.
You're the only one who does it.
Somebody does.
But each time you're dipping it into that.
Well, so it doesn't stick all over the glass and it, you know.
So do you think there's a lot of fat in these?
A lot of fat? No. You see what I'm doing? I'm just putting the glass on it to smash it down. And you're talking about a lot of fat?
What if you just like drench these all in that?
Of course I can do that. This is a different taste. This will get like crunchy, you know what I mean, under the broiler. That's my idea.
Okay. And then what's going to go on top of it?
Parsley and parmesan, vegan parmesan.
Oh, all right. We'll come back and check it out in a second. All right, we got one tray ready. 2 at a time. Dang. 3 at a time. You've sped up production, I see. Look at you. This has become very efficient. Whoops. That guy almost got away. This is our last one. Our other two are over there, and we're getting ready to put all of the seasonings on as soon as we finish our last couple potatoes. I think she's got room for 2 more.
Gonna make it work.
Most of the seasoning is in here, though, is it not?
Yeah. I already made a garlic, butter, olive oil, parsley, rosemary sauce that I strained.
And so that's in here, right?
Yes.
Okay. So they're already going to have that delicious flavor. I guess we have to eat those last couple.
Here, taste the flavor.
All right, let me
good.
try. Let me try.
Here, taste that.
We got it?
Just needs like salt.
Good. Oh, look at her. She's making room.
I can make 1, 2 more on the other tray, I think, somewhere.
I'll just eat those last 2. There's no name for these yet, but we will entertain any ideas that you have in internet land. It's ready for the sprinkling to start.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. All right, here we go. Brushity brush brush. Little dab of do ya. We almost got it all used up. Needless to say, we don't really think too much about the calories.
About what?
We just eat as much calories as possible.
Do we worry about calories?
No, we don't, because we're skinny. Next, salts and peppers. Here she goes. You have to properly season these with the salt. Otherwise, you're never going to get your blood pressure up. Mmm. Salty, salty.
And they probably could use more. I just don't because my mom can't have it. Richard shouldn't have it. We salt everything.
Salt is good for you. I just made that proclamation.
And I'm gonna leave these without pepper.
Okay. So peppered the one really good. I don't see too much pepper coming out. Oh, there we go. Now it's coming out.
I feel like this pepper milk's not very good.
I know, we gotta get a new one. That thing is not working.
I don't like
well.
the salt or this pepper in this thing.
Well, we're gonna have to investigate a new pepper mill. All right, bam, done. Oh, we're gonna do it on that one too?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you weren't gonna put it
I'm
on.
just doing it not on this one.
Oh, okay, so that one's probably for your mom.
Yeah. Of course, she's only gonna have 1 or 2 pieces, but you can always. Oh,
Do you need help? Want me to turn it?
here.
I'm an expert pepper miller. And I'm gonna get these super peppery because I like them peppery. So this one side will be my peppery side.
What one side?
This side here.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough, she
Really?
says.
Really? Oh, honey.
That's for me. I'm gonna eat that. Apparently we're putting some onion powder on now. Yummy. Are we gonna put any thyme, rosemary, or any of that on there?
Thyme. Rosemary's already in the butter.
What about thyme?
No.
What about, what's the other really good vegetable? I mean, not vegetable. What would you call it?
I don't know.
That you put on there. Here we go. We're going to be putting some Parmesan cheese. This, I believe, is vegan Parmesan cheese, correct? And, ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. You're not putting a whole lot on there, are you?
Not putting a whole lot, no.
Show me the front of the thing. Oh, here it is right here. Vegan, 100% shaved Parmesan. Damn. Here we are. We're putting on the Parmesan. Ooh, does it smell good? Very thoughtfully distributed. And this is vegan, so anybody can have it, even non-vegans. Everybody should be eating food that is not animal food. Here, let me grab that. I got it. I got it. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Now all we gotta do is cook this stuff.
This is already cooked. It's just going to be kind of brown.
We're gonna brown it. All right, so should we put it in now?
No.
I'm gonna set this right here on top of that.
Put that back where it was because I have to stick.
Okay, all right, so this is ready to go. All right, here we go. We gotta put her in the oven. We're gonna put them all in there. There goes the first one. We just gotta get the other two. We need a little bit more. We check them. Let's see, it's bleeding. These look good. Woo. Wow, look at that.
Turn this down off of the oil. Watch out, don't touch anything.
Okay, very hot. Look delicious though, don't they?
You can actually grab me a piece of
Okay,
foil.
that's the first to get
Oh,
this.
the pepper. Shit. I'll put those in last.
The pepper? Oh yeah, on this side. All right, here we go.
Swordfish, spinach salad, rolls. We'll see what happens. That's it.
Got a lot of stuff on it.